Hello everyone. Today I want to show you a project called magnet levitation or floating rings. This is good for younger students, usually in 4th grade, 5th grade as a science project or an engineering project, or just a demonstration for magnets. The kit called magnet levitation comes with a wooden block. It may have a hole in the center of that, may not, but that doesn't make much difference. It comes with a number of rings, magnetic rings, that usually one side of the ring is the north, the other side is the south, and it comes with a wood dowel. Now, if you get a board that has a hole, you can insert the wood dowel into the hole, and if it is not, you use a little wood glue and attach the wood to the center of the wood dowel, allow it about 30 minutes, and it will dry, and then you can continue with your experiment. Before attaching the wood to the board, I suggest to test the wood, make sure it easily goes inside the rings, because sometimes the wood is slightly thick. That's why in the kit you usually get a sandpaper. You may need to sand the wood dowel so it can easily go in the hole of the magnets. Now in this case I tested, it already goes in without any problem. So I insert the wood dowel, and in this case I'm not even using the glue. And then inserting the magnets into this has an order. That's the way that we do it. For example, I start from the bottom one, I put it in the way it was, attracting, but the next one I turn it over because I want the opposite pole hit each other, and you notice that it will float on top of that. And then the next one, I put it this way. So this one I didn't turn, the next one I will turn. And this one I don't turn. So the way it is that the poles will be north-south, in a way that they repel each other. If you place it wrong and you notice they are attracting, you just take them out, turn them over and insert it. This is called floating ring, or simple version of magnet levitation, and it gives you some ideas. In one case I noticed that someone is using this as a spring, and somebody was using this as to make a spring scale. So by putting a weight, a platform on the top, and the weight, the more it goes down, that represents that the weight is more. And if you put a paper and graduate it, put marking on that, you can make a scale using magnets that are repelling each other. Now for this project, you technically don't need to have this many magnets. This is for demonstration. If you are making a scale, only 2 magnets are enough and they do the job, and the wood dowel doesn't have to be this long. This one does work enough. If you have any questions about that, you can send us an email at info@miniscience.com, and this project is available as a kit in our website, miniscience.com. Thank you.